Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a steering wheel from a Ford Focus Mk2. First, ensure your vehicle is safe to work on. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery and wait at least 10 minutes. This allows the airbag system to fully discharge, preventing accidental deployment. Next, make sure your front wheels are perfectly straight and then lock the steering column. This ensures proper alignment upon reinstallation. Now, let's tackle the airbag module. You'll find two small holes on either side of the steering wheel. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into these holes to release the retaining clips. Once both clips are disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Disconnect the electrical connectors on the back, noting their positions for reassembly. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, after you're done with your car project, why not let a robot handle the house cleaning? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the airbag safely removed, it's time for the main event. Use a large socket wrench to loosen the central retaining bolt. Before fully removing it, mark the steering wheel's position relative to the steering column shaft. This crucial step ensures your wheel is straight when you put it back. Once marked, remove the bolt and carefully pull the steering wheel off the spline shaft.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.